Hello South Africa. Ramaphosa saga, Phala Phala report debate postponed to December 13th. The decision to delay the debate on the Section 89 panel's Phala Phala report was made at a late-night meeting between Parliament's chief whips on Monday, December 5th. The document, which made damning findings against President Cyril Ramaphosa, was expected to be dealt with by the National Assembly on Tuesday. The debate was postponed by a week to make logistical arrangements for a physical sitting of the House. In the next 7 days, Parliament will have to find a venue capable of seating 400 MPs, and those not in Cape Town will have to make their way to the mother city. I propose we have our sitting to deal with this report using manual voting for December 13th, which is next Tuesday. This will allow MPs to make travelling arrangements on time, said ANC Deputy Chief Whip Doris Likud. There will be no vote by secret ballot, but Speaker of the House, Nosiviwe Mapisa-Nqakula, confirmed there would be a manual roll call of votes. MPs will be called by name before voting instead of the chief whips calling the votes on their behalf. The ANC brought the proposal to postpone the debate, and all parties present agreed. On Monday, President Cyril Ramaphosa approached the Constitutional Court to set aside the Section 89 report. The ANC-NEC also determined that all MPs should vote against the report when the matter is before Parliament. If the report is adopted, Ramaphosa will face an impeachment inquiry. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.